Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a job card in Bihar. This essential document, often called an MGNREGA job card, is vital for rural households seeking employment. It guarantees at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year, providing crucial livelihood security. Having a job card ensures transparency in the work allocation and payment process, protecting workers' rights and preventing any potential misuse. Let's dive into the details of how you can obtain one. To apply for a job card, you must be a rural resident of Bihar and at least 18 years old. All adult members of your household, between 18 and 60 years of age, can be included. You'll need essential documents like proof of identity, such as an Aadhaar card or voter ID, and proof of residence, like a ration card or electricity bill. 2 passport-sized photographs are also recommended. Gathering these items beforehand will streamline your application process. Applying for job card is straightforward. You can visit your local Gram Panchayat office and submit an application on plain paper or a provided form. Alternatively, you can apply online using the Umang app by searching for MGNREGA. Ensure you accurately fill in all details for every adult household member and attach the necessary documents. After submission, the Gram Panchayat will verify your information and issue the job card within 15 days. Once you have your job card, you are guaranteed employment within 15 days of applying for work. Work is usually provided within a 5-kilometer radius of your home, and if further, you may receive a travel allowance. Wages are paid directly into your bank or post office account, typically within 1 to 2 weeks. This card is a vital record, detailing all the work you've undertaken and the wages you've earned, ensuring full transparency and accountability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.